Here I have OPPO F21 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to copy contacts on this device. Like, we're gonna copy contacts from SIM card to device internal storage. Let's go to the contacts application first, then tap here, go to contacts app settings, then select wait. Okay. Tap here. Okay, you go to fix and manage. Then select import from SIM. Here you can select contacts which you want to import. Whoa, I have a lot. Okay, so let's import them all. I have no problem with that. Keep. And as you can see, 36 contacts imported. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.